Mastering your presentation. Organize your main points. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into the art of effective presentations. One of the key elements to ensure your audience remains engaged and retains the message you're conveying is by organizing the main points of your presentation. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to structure your content for maximum impact. A well-structured presentation is like a well-written story. It has a clear beginning, middle, and end. Without a clear structure, your audience can easily get lost, and your main message might get drowned. Structure ensures clarity, flow, and retention of the information. This tried-and-true approach involves breaking down your presentation into 3 main parts. 1. Introduction. This is where you grab the audience's attention, state your purpose, and give a brief overview of what you'll cover. 2. Body. This is the heart of your presentation. It's where you delve into the details of your main points. 3. Conclusion. Here, you wrap things up, summarizing the key points you've discussed and reinforcing your message. Now, let's focus on the body part of the presentation, which is often the most extensive. Here's how you can effectively organize your main points. 1. Prioritize. Start with the most crucial information. What is the one thing you want your audience to take away? Begin with that. 2. Group similar ideas. Clustering related information can make it easier for your audience to follow and remember. 3. Use transitions. Smoothly link one point to the next using transitional phrases like moving on, next, or in addition. 4. Limit the number. Ideally, aim for 3 to 5 main points. If you have more, consider grouping or consolidating to avoid overwhelming your audience. 1. Use visual aids. Slides, charts, and images can help emphasize and break up your main points. 2. Practice. Before your presentation, go through it multiple times to ensure the flow feels right. 3. Seek feedback. Before finalizing, get input from a colleague or friend. They might spot areas that can be clearer or better organized. Remember, the key to a powerful presentation lies not just in the content but in how it's organized and delivered. By effectively structuring your main points, you ensure that your message resonates and sticks with your audience. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to boost your presentation skills. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of presentation in no time. Happy presenting!